We are pleased to show you the 2001 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, center armrest, fog lights, CD player, tachometer, front bucket seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.